Video number 13. The 10 don'ts you have to avoid in your Teespring marketing. 1. Working for random niches. Most marketers want to get too many sales too quickly with their Teespring campaign, so they go with multiple Teespring niches and keep doing multiple things at the same time to get maximum profit. They become unable to focus on every niche at the same time and start losing time and money. To get beyond this, you need to find the particular Teespring niche in which you are interested. Dealing in a single niche enables you to be specific and focused with your campaign to get to your desired goals. 2. Lack of awareness for targeted audience. Targeting everyone or opting for the wrong targeted audience to advertise your Teespring campaign can hurt your reputation, decrease your sales badly, and have an unfavorable effect on profit margins. To overcome the situation, you need to determine the goal of your Teespring campaign, who you want to advertise to, and who will like to wear your t-shirts. With this, you will come to know who falls into your targeted audience. You can segment your audience into groups to target individually with an appropriate ad copy displaying an image of your t-shirt design. Advertising to your prospects improves the sales of your Teespring campaign, enabling you to generate more profit and build more brand awareness. 3. Using non-attractive designs. Not focusing on the design part of a Teespring campaign is not a good idea. If the t-shirts designed for your Teespring campaign are not attractive and don't have a proper title or description to grab the attention of your potential audience, you will not accomplish your goals and sales for your Teespring campaign will drop. Design is the very initial thing that you need to keep in your mind to engage the right audience. Look for good designs or take various tea ideas from TeeView, the Tea Titan, Tea Profit, etc. Seek to reduce the number of colors from the design and don't make typing mistakes. You can use a punchline with an image and add these things into your campaign to get a profitable outcome. 4. Failing to use retargeting. Without proper segmentation of your existing customers, your retargeting tactics will not reach its goal. Failing to retarget can become a reason for the failure of your Teespring campaign. You will lose your prospective audience if you retarget recent tea buyers. Take a look at your tea campaign visitors and segment them into different groups according to their interests, demographics, and purchasing behavior. Retarget those who visited your Teespring campaign but didn't purchase from you, and who purchased a long time ago. Advertise to them with a creative ad that is related to their interests to motivate them to purchase from you. 5. Unable to set moderate prices. Forget to include all the prices when you're setting a price for a tea will make difficult work for you. Understand the difference between margin and markup prices and don't have prices too high for some teas and too low for others. Just look at your competitors and closely analyze how they set their prices. Figure out the cost of a tea, that includes designing cost, advertising cost, and delivery cost, and then select a moderate price and include the profit margin that you want to earn with the t-shirt. Remember, the margin price should not be similar for every campaign. You can keep it a bit lower to get more sales. 6. Forget to do competitors analysis. Not paying attention to your competitors while running a Teespring campaign to promote your teas can be a reason for losing your prospective customers. But remember, competitors spy on your business marketing strategies too, so get over it. To diminish the chances of losing your audience, observe and evaluate your competitors that are doing great with their Teespring campaign advertising strategies and enhance your own marketing approach. Determine their keyword strategies, identify from where they are getting their traffic, look at their t-shirt designing parts, research their index pages, and keep your eyes on their ad copy and design. All these things will assist you in designing unique t-shirts and help you do much better than your competitors. You can also take advantage of spying tools such as SpyFu, StatBrain, and FeedCompare, etc. 7. Overlooking social media. Don't misuse the power of social media for making profits in the early stages. Use it to target the correct audience for you in an appropriate manner. Avoid excess posts on social media. Don't overdo anything on social media. It can hamper your image in the market. Always follow the patterns and guidelines suggested by social media to avoid inconvenience. If anyone neglects the guidelines and rules of social media, they can have their services blocked. One should use the tools properly to ensure the perfect promotions of their services to take advantage of its benefits. 8. Ignoring customer feedback. If you want your Teespring campaign to provide a great sales experience, then don't avoid the customer feedback for your products. These are reviews that your customers give for your products. This sometimes praises the quality of your product and also highlights the negative points of your products. Customer feedback coming to you as mail or on social media pages should not be avoided. This paves the way for improvement in your campaign and helps make it more successful. Customer feedback helps you to understand the problematic areas of the campaign and the expectations that people have for it. No knowledge for latest trends. Teespring campaigns demand that you have knowledge of the latest trends that are blooming in the industry. Customers always demand designs that are creative, unique, and are in style. Lack of this knowledge can hamper the campaign. Without proper knowledge of the current trends, you cannot boost your sales. Following the latest trends can help you get more targeted customers for your campaign. To receive more sales, take a look at the latest trends in the industry and follow those to attract your buyers, so they can lead up to sales in your campaign. Be creative, grow with trends, and get more buyers. 10. Don't make it overcomplicated. Don't overcomplicate your sales procedure so much that it becomes a distraction for your customers. Make it simple and classic to get buyers easily. Be unique and creative while designing, but don't make it too complex so that the buyer doesn't get what he expected. Overdoing or overcomplicating things can make the process complex for both the buyer and the campaign. Being a perfectionist can hamper your campaign and can degrade the sales of your campaign. You should not focus on a single part of your campaign. Instead, give equal weight to all in order to attract lots of customers.